If I have to define our companies with 3 keywords, the 3 keywords will be lead the change. This is our slogan and that we believe. Behind this slogan, we provide to our customers service and support in a unique position. We are convinced in the products of Huawei since 10 years. We have the collaboration started 10 years ago, and the new products every year, now also we show here at Intersolar, convince it to 100% to Huawei. There was a lot of successful stories. One of the latest one are the newest installation of the newest product of the Huawei C&I product of the 250 kilowatt lunar storage solution. These are the first products we get launched in Europe, and we have the first installation in Austria, and this was a very successful installation and the customer is very happy about this product.